Hi, can I get a large mocha with lactose-free milk?
Oh, would you like a donut with that?
Oh, as if you'd say no to a donut on that. Yes,
Well,
please.
It'll be out in a minute. I've got two ahead of you.
I'm the only one here.
Sorry, but Bells and Vonnie have placed their order online.
Bells and Vonnie have beaten me again.
Yep, you know those two. They're always quick.
This will be the last time I'm going to be able to order coffee through the window. This episode's all about putting fly screens across here. Up until now, we've only been able to have the windows open about this far, mainly because the little monster Sifa lives in the bus and we don't want him jumping out. So the fly screen's going to allow us to open the windows all the way open. On all the windows that open, we're going to be doing fly screens. So that's today's video. I'm going to stand here and wait for Vonnie and Bells to get their coffee, and then I can have my coffee and a donut, and then we're going to get into building some fly screens.
Done.
Actually, I'm hearing orders. There's like 4 flat whites being ordered over here.
I know. The poor machine is going nuts in the background.
Yeah, you better crack on.
You may not be able to hear it, but it is.
Well, we're all waiting for our coffees over here.
Yeah, I know.
So we'll wait for our coffee, and then let's get into building some fly screens.
Bonnie, extra donuts.
A few moments later.
Hi, here's your lactose-free mocha.
Ooh, you know what that means? I actually have to do work now.
Yeah.
All right, let's go build some fly screens, eh? Hey guys, got my little helper here, Sifa, to show us all the bits we need to install fly screens on your bus or van. So on the Toyota Coaster, there's actually 4 windows that are exactly the same. They're 825 high by 1460 wide, and there's one window, which is the one right next to the driver's door, the passenger entrance door, that is 2 centimeters wider. So when you buy your extrusion, you can get it from a lot of places. I highly recommend going to, say, a security specialist to get it, as it's pre-curved. If you get the bunning stuff, it's perfectly straight. This little length here isn't really good to see it. When you see the 5 meter lengths, I'll show you a photo in a minute, you'll see it's got a big bend in it, much like a semi-trailer that's bent when it's unloaded and flattens when it's got load on it. The reason for that is when you put your mesh in, it'll put tension on it, and the Bunnings ones will get a bow in it and it looks horrible. So get your extrusion from the correct place. Then what you'll need is your little corner brackets. We'll put all the things down in the description below. You'll need your foam spline for your mesh, and then your chosen mesh. Now, some people are doing this for security. They're going to use metal mesh or that horrible stuff you'd use on a screen front door, security door. With the Toyota Coaster, there's enough glass windows that you're not covering with that stuff that people can just get in anyway. So doing it for security, not really what we're for. Little Sifa, who was here a moment ago, that's the main reason. So we can open all our windows and allow lots of air through. And he'll just put his nose up against this, go, oh, I can't get out, and just sort of give up. He's not really a clawer. If you do have an animal that is a bit of a clawer, you can get stronger mesh, say pet mesh, which is a lot stronger, but will let less air and light through. So it's a bit of a balance. You'll see on most of them, they'll have a little grading about their sort of specs. This one's 2 out of 3 on bugs, 2 out of 3 on clear view, 3 out of 3 on ventilation, which is what I want, and then 2 out of 3 on strength. So a good all-rounder. Then to do at the end, you need your little roller to put the mesh into the frame, and that's pretty much the stuff you need. Pretty simple. All of this, well, without the mesh, I think the rails themselves were $100 for the whole bus, and then the clips were $10 for it. And this was about $10, that was about $4. The big cost is actually going to be your mesh you choose. I think 2 rolls of this was about 120 bucks. Which is still cheap. I mean, a whole bus of fly screens is going to be a few $100s. Professionally, I wouldn't even want to think about it from the online quotes I did. Wow. So let's get all of this together and get it on the bus and show you what it looks like. Hello.
Hello, what are you doing?
We're putting the frames together.
Okay.
So
I'm pulling it apart.
you get these little guys.
Give me a close-up look.
These aren't the ones I wanted to use. These are from Bunnings, because the company that supplied this stuff supplied the wrong ones of these. So I had to go to Bunnings and get the best I could. It does fit. It's just not as sturdy as I would like them to be.
Yes, the other ones had nice little bumps on them and everything, so they sort of pushed in and held nicely.
Yeah, and they would hold very nicely.
And Bunnings ones don't.
Yeah, they leave a little bit of...
They leave a little bit of a wobble and a gap, as the others, if they were the right size, wouldn't have.
Yeah, and if it really irks me, I can always pull them apart and find different ones, but the chances are that
low down on the list.
Very low down on the list.
All right, so we just put one of those in each corner.
Yes.
till we make our frame.
Slowly build myself into a window.
Make sure when you're putting your frame together that all your channels are on the right side to each other. Otherwise, you go and put your fly wire on and, well, disaster.
Yeah, wouldn't need that well. And then we go like that. It goes in. You don't quite want it going in that far. And then we go like that. And you try and get them nice and beautiful, like that.
Woohoo! Okay, now let's flip it and put some wire on it.
Yep. Alright, so a little tip I've come up with, it may be completely wrong, but when you make the frames and you put the screen on, if you do it on the floor, the frame can move and then you've wasted a lot of screen. So what we've done is we've actually made sure that the frame is square by measuring from corner to corner, which is 1685 on each corner for us, and then screwed the frame in so the frame can't move while we put the mesh down. It can move in the center because you do want this bit to flex a little bit because it is going to pull in when you put the mesh on. But this will hold your frame nice and square, so when you put your mesh on, it doesn't move.
I can hear the oh my gods from inside.
Because we've done very good. So if you look really low is what you want to look at when you're trying to get these. Just doing the final tightening now.
I've been staying inside and letting the boys do this on their own. They are going to be rewarded with kebabs.
Oh, did you say kebab?
Kebab.
Oh, yeah.
I think Angus will be in on that.
That's the only thing of Pakenham I'm going to... Actually, two things. I'm going to miss Legends Kebabs and Murphy's Pizza. If you're local, you'll know what I mean.
Oh, what about the ice cream shop?
I'm hoping I can find ice cream around Australia that's good.
Yeah, but the ice cream shop up near JB's pretty good.
Yes, I do like the apple sorbet.
Yes.
Highly recommend.
You know by the last one you're going to be experts at this. And you'll never have to do it ever again.
Ideally, I'll never have to do it again.
That would be ideal. Alright, I'll let you go.
Yeah, Legans, go. Go really low. So what you do is you get low, and look, no ripples in it at all. How good's that?
He's a happy bean.
Yeah, that looks beautiful. It only took me to build 3 of them to get there. And now the satisfying part. It's not pretty.
And cut it, don't pull it.
Right.
Very.
Very good.
That's a big one. Oh, it's fine to leave one in. Ceiling fan's pretty nice effect. But it's like 33 today, so it's nice. Ta-da! One more to trim off that end and
Done.
that's done.
Editing Mark here. So what we're doing here is we're attaching the frames using self-tapping screws. Now a lot of people would finish the job here just using the self-tapping screws. We're using the self-tappers to mark where we're going to put the riv-nuts. Because you have to bend the frame, you can't just measure and drill because then it won't all line up. We're using M4 riv-nuts which require a 6mm hole to be drilled.
And they're all done. They look amazing.
Look at these. Look.
Yep. We've had Tifa in there and he did exactly what we'd hope he would do. He put his nose against it I went, oh, I can't get out. All right, cool. Just sat there and looked out the window and howled a little bit while we were outside. He likes to be where we are. If we're in the bus, he's cool. If we're outside the bus, he wants to be outside the bus too. But overall, really, really happy with the result. They came out nice and tight and really, really well fitted. If you look real close, there's a couple of tiny little bits that are out, but I mean, you know,
hey, you're not professional.
you get what you
did
get.
as best as you
You
could.
get what you pay for around here.
Yes.
And we're into these for literally just a few $100s, like around $300 total for the whole bus.
Screws,
So,
washers.
yeah, I've seen people on the forums mention they've spent $2,000 to get this done. So like, oh, compared to that, but they look so good. I'm very, very happy they're done, and it's a pretty important step for a lot of people in the bus. So hopefully you guys have found some good value out of this one.
It might be a bit of an everyday topic, but it's not an everyday to put it on a bus. So hopefully, yes, we have helped some people with how to do this process.
Yeah, if you found some good value out of the video, please do click like or give a comment and just say, hey, look, we love the video, but I have this question. More than happy to answer questions you guys have. We actually really enjoy interacting with everyone. And if you'd like to, click the subscribe button, no pressure, just to find out what we're up to next. So thanks again for joining us on this journey, guys. Catch you in the next one.
Bye.
See ya.